May kita namin si Dr. Wentz na daan dito maya-maya. And I have here Renel and Geraldine Daco. And of course, Coach Jed. Diba? So, magkakaroon mo ba kayo? Jason.
Guys, my first time here.
So, Dr. Wentz is there already.
Okay, so you can enjoy yourself. There are little tidbits and drinks all around, and we will let you know when it's time to welcome Dr. Wentz. Thank you.
所以在华师博餐厅来之前，各位用过这几分钟，可以来享受为各位准备的丰盛的美食。但是请各位手下留情，留点给我。
Thank you, Chairman, for thinking of me again. I am a little hungry. Thank you. All right, enjoy yourself.
Here, you want?
Kasama namin kayo dito, no?
Hi guys, so we are here now at Share the Vision. Yes.
Ay, grabe! So guys, sama kayo sa amin next time, okay? Baka mayroong hindi pumasok.
准备。
Grabe! Guys, dapat nandito ako.
Grabe guys, Dr. Myron Wentz!
Grabe, share the vision. Share the vision.
Grabe guys, grabe, share the vision of Dr. Myron Wentz.
Grabe, Dr. Wentz. Nangulog na mga kaunuran rin. Nagulat ni Myron Wentz.
Yay!
Performance ng dito. Expecting for Dr.
17 Asia Pacific Convention and to celebrate USANA's 25th anniversary with all of you. When I proudly announced or launched Cell Essentials at last year's International Convention, I talked about the activation of our cells' own powerful cell signaling pathways as being the key to this breakthrough new product. Incorporating selected nutrients to increase our